Hey, so if you need help with homework but don't want to get stuck for hours, yeah, Google Gemini can make things much easier. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Google Gemini for homework help in 2026. First thing, go to Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're ready to start a new chat. Next, type your homework question clearly. So include all details instead of asking something too general. All right, ask for step-by-step explanations. I mean, this helps you understand the process, not just the answer. Now, if something is confusing, ask Gemini to simplify it. You can say explain like, I'm a beginner. Next, paste your notes or questions. So Gemini can analyze and explain them instantly. All right, ask for similar problems. I mean, this helps you practice and prepare for exams. And yeah, always review the answers. Make sure you understand everything before submitting your homework. So that's how you use Google Gemini for homework help. Use it smartly and you'll learn faster and more effectively.